Good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday, it is August 14th, and I'm Chris Allen here on the SAM channel. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X, all sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. Well, this beautiful weather continues. Proof of that this morning from the Plano Cam. Look at that. Beautiful blue sky, temperatures still very nice this morning in the 60s. For the most part, the dew points are still running very comfortable at this time. We may feel a little bit more humidity starting to work in to the atmosphere this afternoon, but other than that, we have a beautiful, beautiful day. It is going to be really awesome for all of southern Kentucky, parts of middle Tennessee, and really the entire region. Well, that crepe myrtle right there in front of my window, it is just going nuts. I mean, it's beautiful. All the rain that we've had and all that just makes it come alive. Really nice. And, we're only, what, 33? No. How many days till fall? Wait a minute. I know because I have it written down. 39. 39 days. Yeah. Until fall begins. So, what we need is some rain. We love the beautiful weather and the slightly cooler temperatures and the less humid air, but rain, something that we need. It's been counting today. It will be 12 consecutive days without measurable rainfall here in southern Kentucky. So we need to get some rain in here. Let's see if we can find some. Here's a look at radar this morning, and we do see some just a little southwest of Nashville. As you can see, there's a pretty good area of rain, even a few thunderstorms rolling through places like, Missouri, southern Missouri, and northeastern Arkansas into West Tennessee. The stuff that's west of Nashville, Murfreesboro, down toward Jackson and Memphis, Tennessee, that's all pretty light. And then you get some heavier rain that's in parts of Arkansas and Missouri. This is all ahead of a warm front that will be making its way through our area very soon, especially as we get into the day tomorrow. That's going to increase the dew points and the moisture content in the air. The better chance of rain is going to start tomorrow night and especially on Friday. Seems to be the best chance of rain that we're looking at here for southern Kentucky. So we just got to wait a little bit longer, and then we'll begin to see our rain chances go up. And with each update of the computer forecast models, the rain chances do go up a little bit more each time. And it looks like we're going to get some beneficial rain out of this system as we get not just a warm front, but then a cold front following behind it that is going to bring us a good chance of rain on Friday. Let's check Kentucky Mesonet temperatures as of 7:19 this morning. And you can start to see the effects of the warm front back to our west as temperatures are in the low 70s. While everybody else is in the low to mid 60s across the state, even some upper 50s. Out further east, we check the dew points, and here we go. You can see that we're still in the very comfortable 60s. It feels nice outside, but again, look at western Kentucky. They have now crossed that 70-degree dew point number. So they're close to the warm front and where some of that rain is beginning to pop up. And so it's more humid over there. In fact, humidities are running 98, 97 to 100%. And yeah, we've got that here too, but it's only because the temperatures are close to the dew points, but the dew points are not running that high. So, but anyway, you get the idea. We're starting to see a little bit more rain and warmer temperatures to our west. Winds this morning are fairly light to near calm coming out of the northeast. That's why we still it feels pretty nice still this morning across much of the area. And I do believe that today we will continue to have that really just, where you can go, you can breathe when you go outside. That just makes it even better. All right, let's check the model blender and see what we've got ahead of us here in the next 7 to 10 days. And it's going to show really nothing too out of hand. We'll go mid to upper 80s today and maybe around 90 tomorrow and Friday as the rain begins to move in. After that, we do get a cold front that comes through Saturday, and it's going to cool us back down. And look, all next week, nothing but 80s. The average high will start to go from 90 to 89 next week. So with the average high being 89, and you see all those mid 80s pretty much every day next week, hey, we're right on the money as far as where we should be for temperatures. This is nothing out of the ordinary. We're getting deeper into August. The days are getting shorter, the nights getting longer. It's a natural thing that's going to happen. We're naturally going to start to cool down, and our average daily high, daily low will start to tick down just little by little with each day that passes. That's the transition from summer to fall. And it is already happening. It is already happening. And if you've looked around, you can already see some of the leaves changing color. In a few, sugar maples and things like that, you can just see little hints of change beginning. It's almost here. It is almost here. Like I said, in 39 days, the official start of fall. Let's check the maps this morning and see when our rain is going to come in exactly. Now, here's the setup this morning. High pressure in control. We saw a little bit of patchy fog this morning. Here's the rain that I showed you on radar back into Missouri, parts of Arkansas, West Tennessee, along that warm front. There's the warm front. It's going to start to ease its way north and east. But by this afternoon into this evening, I don't see any rain for us. It may be like yesterday was with a mix of sun and clouds, but that's it. Here we go into early Thursday morning, tomorrow. There's the warm front now easing a little bit more into our area. It'll be over the land between the lakes tomorrow morning. Into the afternoon, we have the warm front pass through, and that's going to bring in the additional humidity and the additional dew points, which are going to go back into the upper 60s to low 70s. And we've got the perfect setup here for rain. You've got a warm front, you've got all this moisture, and then a cold front back behind it. This is the cold front that's going to come through on Saturday and cool us back down. So here we go. Friday, pretty good. Shower and thunderstorm coverage. It's now bumped up to 70%. It was at 60% yesterday. It's now 70%. So 7 out of 10 of you will get rain on Friday, and some of it is going to be in the form of thunderstorms. There could even be, they're trying to paint in a little marginal level 1 risk of a strong to severe storm. Not convinced that's going to happen, but the better takeaway here is that we're going to get some much needed rain. Finally. After 12 days, tomorrow will be 13 before we get the rain in here. So this is Friday morning, Friday afternoon, the cold front approaches. Saturday morning, it starts to come in. That'll shut off the showers for Sunday as the system passes to the east. And then here we go into Monday and into Tuesday. Pretty quiet weather as we get into next week, and it will be rain-free for a few days at the beginning of next week, and it's going to feel pretty nice, as a matter of fact. All right, in the chat box this morning, Christy, Gail, and Rod, Jackie, Sandra, Jerry, Tony, Gail, Barbara, Howard, Karen, Nancy, Eric. All of you, thank you for watching this morning, and I'll see you tonight, 5, 6, and 10. News 40. on NBC 40 and CBS 40. In the meantime, God bless you. Thank you for watching and listening, and have a great day.